Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, sticking with my theme, using cloud paint, I will be doing a 10 by 10 canvas. And I have all of my paints already mixed. I'm also going to be using some milk paint today that I mixed with some Floetrol and some Artist Loft and some Liquitex pouring medium. And the milk paint that I'm using is not the regular milk paint that everybody uses. I've had this milk paint quite a long time. It's a powdered form of milk paint, and you mix it with water. This is how it comes. This was a Recollections milk paint that I bought many years ago. I forgot actually what I really even bought it for, but it came with 3 different colors. It came with this light blue, light pink, and light green. I've used a light green already, and now today I've mixed a light blue. I put a little Artist Loft white in there also. So what I'm going to do is, let me just flood my canvas with some of the actual white paint. And this is my cloud paint. And you'll find everything down below in the description to make it easy, let you know exactly what's in the paints that I'm using. And I do love my ring pours, so that's what I'm probably going to be doing here. And I'll probably most likely put some of these paints in between, cloud paints and the milk paint. That first color was Arteza Bordeaux Red, and that was mixed with this little piggy, Grenache. Those are those 2 colors there. The next color I have, actually I'm just going to put a little bit of this in between, this cloud paint. Okay, next color is Blick Metallic Teal. Another color that I love. And let's put a little cloud paint in between that. Well, next color I have is Deco Art Matte Metallics. And this is a flat gold. And the next color I have is this little piggy, and this is Lily Pad. And Lily Pad, I darkened it up a bit, and I used an acrylic ink, Turquoise Deep by Liquitex. And let's put a little drop of the cloud paint in there. And last but not least is Arteza Pearl Metallic. Lovely color. Absolutely love that color. And I'll top that off with some of that milk paint. And let's just give that a pour. Okay, I'm hoping that that's enough paint, but if it's not, we can always make another ring. So let's see if this reaches around. Give that a second to settle. Give it a little torch. Maybe I could throw a little milk paint in the mix over here. Getting a nice little reaction in there. Not want to lose my green. Let's save my green as much as I can. Kind of liking this negative space that I have here. And I'm wondering if I should stop stretching now. Let's see what we have. Like what's popping up over here. This is quite pretty too. but I think I'm finally happy. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I really am very happy with the outcome. I think the milk paint makes a big difference in all these little cells, I guess you want to call them, all around. They look pretty cool. All their different shapes. Definitely different from the big boulders I get when I just use the milk paints alone, the cloud paints alone. I was able to keep a lot of the lines in this. Yeah, so I like the way it came out. So let me know what you think below. I hope you enjoyed this this day here. I certainly did. I love the colors together. I have a few of these paints left, so I guess we'll be using them over the next few days. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Give me a thumbs up, please. Donna from Hollywood, signing off. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.